Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I have an announcement. We're doing a huge giveaway, a New Year's giveaway 2021. I'm going to be giving away the entire Black Rice Water collection as well as our Maximum Hair Growth collection. So I will put all of the rules to the giveaway down below in the description box if you want to enter. I also wanted to let you guys know that my 2021 Guide to Healthy Natural Hair ebook is now available. So this is an updated version of my 2020 ebook, and it is a calendar as well as a step-by-step guide to a healthy hair routine. So I'm giving you guys all the keys to a successful hair routine, and you guys can follow along with this guide each day, week, month, and you can see your hair transform each month. So if you're interested, I'll put the link down below so you can purchase. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am finally washing my hair after having a silk press for at least 3.5 weeks, and it is time. My hair was feeling so oily and my scalp was so itchy. So I'm going to be sharing with you how I go from straight to curly. First things first, I'm going to be wetting my hair, and when I say it feels so good to finally be able to wet my hair, I'm going to drench it with lukewarm water, and you'll see that my curls are coming back pretty quickly. Okay, so I'm going to be double cleansing my hair, and I really like to double cleanse my hair when I haven't washed it for a long period of time. So I'm going to be using the Black Rice Water Scalp Stimulating Shampoo. I'm going to be taking about 4 pumps of this shampoo and applying it directly to my scalp. This shampoo is a fan favorite. It is on pre-order currently because it sells out so rapidly whenever I put it back in stock. So with this shampoo, I just like to focus on my roots, and I like to massage it deep into my scalp. So this shampoo has ingredients such as black tie rice, castor oil, eucalyptus, and tea tree. So it's very gentle on the scalp, and it is soothing. So it helps with dandruff and psoriasis as well as deeply cleansing the hair. So I like to lather that in my scalp for a couple of minutes to let it penetrate and deeply stimulate my scalp, in turn promoting healthy hair growth. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to rinse all of that out and go ahead and double cleanse my hair. So the second step is to use my Maximum Strength Hair Growth Shampoo Bar. And I love this bar because it's extremely moisturizing. It's another fan favorite, and it is all natural. So a combination of 15 of the most potent herbs and oils with ingredients such as avocado oil, shea butter, henna powder, rosemary, and castor oil came perfectly together to make this all natural cold pressed shampoo bar. So I like to use this after the Black Rice Water shampoo because it's a lot more moisturizing, and I know that it will do a great job at double cleansing without leaving the hair stripped. And I think a lot of people go wrong with not properly shampooing and cleansing their hair and scalp, because even myself, I've struggled in the past with knowing how to properly clean my hair because it would have a lot of buildup from, leftover product or just even natural oils and dirts that my hair accumulates. So properly cleansing your hair is essential if you want to see healthy hair growth. So I make sure I'm getting in there. I'm getting in my roots. I'm doing a thorough job at cleansing my hair. I'm massaging my scalp at the same time. So these great ingredients are just feeding my scalp and making my hair super healthy. So after that, I just go ahead and rinse all of the shampoo out of my hair, and I can move on to the final step. All right, so the last step is using a conditioner, and I'm going to be using our Maximum Strength Hair Growth Daily Conditioner. So I'm not going to use a deep conditioner today because I'll probably be using a deep conditioner later on in the week. So I'm just using my daily conditioner today. And if you guys purchase my 2021 step-by-step guide to grow long and healthy hair, I share with you exactly when to use each product, and I give you a calendar as well so you can write down the days that you use a specific protein treatment or moisturizing treatment so you won't get any type of protein or moisture overload. So if you guys are interested in purchasing my ebook, I will put the link down below in the description box so you can check it out. So I just apply the conditioner into each section and put it up into 2 buns. So I like to let my conditioner sit for a little while. So basically I would just be in the shower, and then I would do my skincare routine in the shower. And then when I'm done with my skincare, I can go ahead and detangle my hair. So as you guys know, I just came out with my body collection, and I'm going to be using my Ultimate Hydrating Body Wash. And I always suffered with body acne and super dry skin, so products would just irritate me because my skin was sensitive as well. So I wanted to come out with a body wash, and this body wash just does the job. It just does what it needs to do. It's super hydrating. It lathers up very, very nicely. It has a vanilla and lavender scent, so it smells amazing and it's super, super soothing. So every time I use this body wash, I feel like I'm at the spa or something. I absolutely love it. And then I go ahead and exfoliate my body with our new Ultimate Exfoliating Body Scrub. And this is all natural. It has a brown sugar base, and it is so amazing. Like every time I use this body scrub, I feel like my skin is so soft after using it. And like I said, I struggled with like body acne and stuff like that. So I think this has been doing a great job at keeping the body acne away, as well as lightening up some of the scars that I have on my body, because I scar up so freaking easy. But if you guys want to see a body care routine, just let me know and I can do that for you guys. All right, so now I'm going to be detangling my hair. So after I let the conditioner sit in my hair after doing my whole body routine, so that was about 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair. And I'm using our Ultimate Detangling Brush, and with this brush, it just makes life so much easier. I only have to detangle my hair in 2 sections, as you can see here, and my hair just detangles so quickly. I like to start at the ends, making my way up to my roots. So I just make sure I thoroughly detangle my hair, rinse out all of the conditioner, and this is how my hair looks wet. The curls are coming back. And this is how my hair looks dry with no product. Alright, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton at MH Hair Growth. You can shop all of your hair growth needs at miriamhampton.com, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!